Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, now in this video I am going to start exercise 3.4. For the previous exercise, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in 3.4, sum number 1. In sum number 1, here given A is a matrix, here the elements are 2, minus 3 and that one equal to 0, then minus 1, 4 and 5. So these 6 are the elements of A, and here you have to find out the value of 3A transpose. Okay, you have to find out the value of 3A is dash, or you can also call this one transpose. Okay, so that means first you have to find out the value of 3A and next you have to find out the transpose of 3A. So as here you know that how to find out 3A, you have to multiply 3 with each and every element, of the matrix A. So here 3 into 2, that equal to 6, then minus 9, it will be 0, minus 3, 12 and 15. Okay, so that equal to 3A. Now here you have to find out 3A transpose. So what is the meaning of the transpose of a matrix? Suppose here you have 3A transpose to find out. So first you have to write down 6 minus 9 0, minus 3 12 15, and then here you can write down dash or T, because A dash or AT is the notation of the transpose. Suppose A is a matrix, then if you want to find out the transpose of A, then it will be A dash or A to the power T. Right, in this way you have to write down, this is the notation of transpose. So here now the transpose of the matrix, it means if you have 6 9 0 as the elements of the row of this matrix, then whenever you find out the transpose of that matrix, then here this 6 9 0 will be the column of that matrix. That means here the row will be changed into column. Okay, it's very easy. So as 6 minus 9 0 is the first row, so you have to write down 6 minus 9 0 is the first column. The next one, minus 3 12 15 is the second row, so it will be minus 3 12 15 as the second column. So that is the transpose of 3A. Okay, and it's your answer. Now sum number 2. If A equal to this one, B equal to this one, then you have to find out A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, so that means here A transpose plus B transpose means, that means first you have to find out the transpose of matrix A. So it will be now 2 minus 1 5, then 4 0 3. So this is A transpose, and second one minus 2 3 1, minus 1 2 minus 3, and that is B transpose. Now you have to add this one, so 2 minus 2 it will be 0, minus 1 3 it will be 2, 5 plus 1 6, then 4 minus 1 it will be 3, 0 plus 2 2, and 3 minus 3, that equal to 0. So that is your answer. Now sum number 3. Here given A equal to sin x minus cos x sin x is the matrix 0 less than x less than pi by 2, and also given that A plus A transpose, that equal to identity matrix. Now you have to find out the value of x here. So as here A plus A dash, that means A transpose, so it will be, you can write down sin x minus cos x, here cos x sin x, that will be the matrix A, then addition with A transpose. So sin x minus cos x, it will be column now, sin x minus cos x, here cos x sin x, so it will be second column cos x sin x, that is A transpose, and that equal to identity I means 1 0 0 1. Okay, so now sin plus sin, it will be 2 sin x, so 2 sin x, cos x plus cos x will be 0, cos x minus cos x 0, sin x plus sin x, it will be 2 sin x, that equal to 1 0 0 1. Now if you compare both sides, then you will get 2 sin x equal to 1. So if 2 sin x equal to 1, then here sin x equal to 1 by 2, and as you know that sin 30, the value of sin 30 equal to 1 by 2, so it will be pi by 6. Okay, so there x equal to pi by 6 is your answer. Now sum number 4. In sum number 4, here A transpose equal to 3 4 minus 1 2 and 0 1, that is A transpose, and B equal to minus 1 2 1, then 1 2 3, that is matrix B. Then you have to find out A transpose minus B transpose. So first write down A transpose, that is equal to, it's given, and then minus, you have to write down the second one is B transpose. So as here B transpose means minus 1 2 1 is the first column, then 1 2 3 is the second column. Now if you subtract this matrix from this one, so 3 minus and minus, it will be plus, so it will be 4, then minus 1 minus 2, it's minus 3, 0 minus 1, it will be minus 1. Next 4 minus 1, that equal to 3, 2 minus 2, that equal to 0, and 1 minus 3, that equal to minus 2. So that is your answer. Now sum number 5. Here A equal to minus 1 5 3 7. Okay, now determine whether A plus A transpose is symmetric or skew symmetric. So what is the meaning of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix? The symmetric matrix means if A transpose equal to A, then it will be symmetric matrix. Okay, that means whenever you change the matrix into your transpose matrix and all the elements will be same, then it will be symmetric matrix. And the next one, skew symmetric. Skew symmetric means A transpose that equal to minus A. Okay, that means if you multiply minus 1 with each and every element, and then it will be equal to the transpose of that matrix, then it will be skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so that means first here you have to find out A plus A transpose. So A means you know that 1 5 3 7, and next thing you have to find out A transpose, you also know that. So here minus 1 5 will be the first column and 3 and 7 as the second column. Now if you add these two matrix, so minus 1 it's minus 2, then here 5 and 3 it will be 8, then next then here 3 plus 5 it will be also 8, and then 7 plus 7 it will be 14. Okay, so that means here A plus A dash that equal to 2 8 8 1 4. Now next thing you have to find out the transpose of this one, A plus A dash, again dash, or you can write down here T also. So now it will be, as here minus 2 8 is the first row, so it will be first column, and here 8 14 as the second row, so it will be second column. Now here it's clearly A plus A dash which is equal to the transpose of that matrix. So that means you can write down here A plus A dash is equal to A plus A dash transpose. That means that condition. So it will be symmetric matrix. It will be symmetric matrix. Now sum number 6. In sum number 6, here A equal to 5 minus 1 minus 2 6. Determine whether A minus A transpose. Determine whether A minus A transpose is symmetric or skew symmetric. That means as same as the previous one. So first you have to find out A transpose. So here A transpose will be 5 minus 1 as the first column, and then minus 2 6 as the second column. So that is A and that is A transpose. Now next one, A minus A transpose. So it will be 5 minus 1 minus 2 6, then minus the second matrix. Okay, so now find out the value. 5 minus 5 it will be 0, minus 2 plus 1 it will be minus 1, minus 1 plus 2 it will be 1, and 6 minus 6 that equal to 0. So now as you have to show that this matrix is symmetric or skew symmetric. Okay, so that means again you have to find out the transpose of that matrix. So here A minus AT, and you have to find out the transpose of this one. So it will be 0 1 as the first column and minus 1 0 as the second column. Okay, so now as here if you common minus from here, okay, if you common minus from here, then it will be first one is 0, it will be minus 1, it will be 1 and 0, you have to write down minus here, okay. And now this matrix is as same as this one, so here you can easily write down that equal to A minus AT, here minus, okay. That means the transpose of the matrix that equal to the minus 1 or minus into that matrix, okay. So the condition is, you know that A to the power T equal to minus A. If A is a matrix, then this is the condition of skew symmetric matrix. So here you can write down A minus AT is a skew symmetric matrix, okay. Now sum number 7(1). Here if A equal to 5A B 0 and A is a symmetric matrix, that means you know that the properties of symmetric matrix, that is A transpose equal to A, then you have to show that A equal to B, okay. So that means if A equal to this one, then A transpose will be 5A and B 0, so that is A transpose matrix. And as A is a symmetric matrix, that means you can write down here A transpose equal to A. So therefore 5A B 0, that is equal to with this matrix 5B and here A 0, okay. So 5A B 0, that equal to 5B A 0. Now if you compare both sides, then here A equal to B and here also B equal to A. So that means here A equal to B and it's proved. Now sum number 7(2). Here this is a matrix, okay, and if this matrix is a symmetric matrix, then you have to find out the value of x. So first let A equal to this one, so A is a matrix. Then next one, A transpose will be 6 minus x square first column and 2x minus 15 and 10 is the second column. Now according to the properties of symmetric matrix, you know that A transpose equal to A, okay. That means that matrix is equal to this one, so you can write down here 6 minus x square, here 2x minus 15 10, that equal to 6 2x minus 15 minus x square and 10, okay. Now if you compare the elements, then it will be here minus x square, that equal to 2x minus 15, okay. So here it will be x square plus 2x minus 15, that equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation, and if you solve it by middle term factorization method, then you will get x plus 5 and x minus 3, that equal to 0. So from that x equal to minus 5 or x equal to 3 as your answer. Now sum number 8. In sum number 8, here A is a square matrix, it's given, okay. If A is a square matrix, then prove that A transpose A is symmetric. You have to prove that, okay. So before you going to solve this problem, first you have to know some properties of the transpose of a matrix. So here the first properties, that is properties number 1, the transpose of a matrix, that is A transpose to the power transpose, that equal to always A, the given matrix, okay. Second one, here A plus B are two matrix, then A plus B transpose, it will be A transpose plus B transpose, okay. Now the third one, if A and B are two matrix, then AB transpose equal to, first you have to write down B transpose, then you have to write down A transpose. Remember that AB transpose, that equal to B transpose dot A transpose. Clear? I hope. Okay. So now as here A is a square matrix, okay, and A dash A is symmetric. That means you have to show that the A dash A transpose will be A dash A. Okay, so first here let P equal to A dash A. That means now we have to show that P dash equal to P. If you show that this one P dash equal to P, then it will be symmetric. So write down here P equal to A dash A. Okay, then P dash equal to A dash A transpose. Okay, now here you can apply these properties. A, B, the multiplication of two matrix transpose, then you have to write down the second matrix transpose into first matrix transpose. So here the second matrix is this one, so it will be A transpose into then first matrix, that means A dash and again transpose. Okay, so write down here A dash, and that will be the first properties, A transpose again transpose, that equal to A. So this one equal to A. Now this one is your assumption, that is P, so you can write down here P. That means here P dash equal to P. So here A dash A is symmetric. Okay, so A dash A is symmetric. So it's proved. Now sum number 9. In sum number 9, here A and B are two symmetric matrices. That means A transpose equal to A and B transpose equal to B. And also given that AB equal to BA. Okay, this is the another condition. Now you have to prove that AB is symmetric. That means you have to show that AB transpose equal to AB. Okay, so now here your first condition, that is A transpose equal to A, second condition B transpose equal to B, third one AB equal to BA. So now here AB transpose, you know the property of AB transpose, that equal to B transpose and then A transpose. Now it will be B transpose means B and A transpose means A. So B into A, that means BA, and as here BA equal to AB, so you can write down here AB also. Okay, so now it's proved. AB transpose equal to AB. That means AB is symmetric. Okay, and it's proved. Now sum number 10. In sum number 10, if A, B and AB all are symmetric matrices. Okay, A, B and AB all are symmetric matrices. That means A transpose equal to A, B transpose equal to B and AB transpose equal to AB. Then show that or prove that, you can write down prove that AB equal to BA. So first here according to the properties of the transpose of a matrix, AB transpose equal to B transpose dot A transpose. You know that. Now here the value of B transpose that equal to B and value of A transpose that equal to A. Okay. So as here according to the properties or according to the formula, you can say that AB transpose equal to BA, and here also given AB transpose equal to AB. So from this one and from this one you can write down AB equal to BA. Okay, I hope it's clear. So it's proved. Now sum number 11. If A, B are skew symmetric matrix and AB equal to BA. Okay, A, B are skew symmetric matrix and AB equal to BA, then show that AB is symmetric. So as here A and B are skew symmetric, that means you know that A transpose equal to minus A and B transpose equal to minus B, that is skew symmetric. Now you have to show that AB transpose. Okay, AB transpose is what? AB transpose is symmetric. That means here you have to show that AB transpose equal to AB. So now AB transpose means B transpose and then A transpose. Here B transpose means minus B and A transpose means minus A. So it will be now B into A, so BA. And here also given that BA equal to AB. So now as AB transpose equal to BA, that means here AB is symmetric. Now sum number 12, and that is the last sum for this video. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here A, B are skew symmetric matrix. That means A transpose equal to minus A and B transpose equal to minus B. Of same order, and AB is symmetric. So if AB is symmetric, that means AB transpose equal to AB. Then show that, you have to show that AB equal to BA. You have to prove that or show that. So as here A transpose equal to minus A, B transpose equal to minus B, and you also know that AB transpose equal to AB. So let's write down this one. And here according to the formula of the transpose or the properties of the transpose, that equal to B transpose and then A transpose. The right hand side will be AB. Now B transpose means minus B, A transpose means minus A, so it will be AB right hand side, and here minus minus plus, so it will be BA. So BA equal to AB, and it's proved.